Hello students, in this video we will solve exercise 11.3 from question number 4th. Fourth question is a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So students, it is given in the question that diameter of the circular garden is 21 meter. From here we can calculate value of radius. So radius of the circular garden is 21 by 2 meter. Now circumference of the circular garden is equal to 2 pi r. It means 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 21 by 2. After solving this, we have circumference of the circular garden and it is 66 meter. The gardener makes 2 rounds of the fence, so the total length of the rope he purchased is equal to 2 multiplied by circumference of the circular garden. So he multiply 2 by 66 and answer is 132 meter. Now it is also mentioned in the question that the cost of 1 meter of rope is rupees 4. So therefore cost of 132 meter is 4 multiplied by 132 and it is 528 rupees. Now move to the next question, question number 5th. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi is equal to 3.14. As mentioned in the question, a circular sheet with radius 4 cm is given and we have to remove a circle of 3 cm from the sheet, and after that we have to find out the value of the remaining sheet. So value of the remaining sheet is equal to area of circular sheet minus area of removed circle. Area of circular sheet is equal to pi r square minus pi r square. Here we differentiate both the radius by capital R and small r. After substituting all the values, we have 21.98 centimeter square and it is the area of the remaining sheet. Now move to the next question, question number 6th. Sixth question is, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost. If 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15, take pi is equal to 3.14. As mentioned in the question that diameter of the table cover is 1.5 meter. From here we can calculate value of the radius and it is 1.5 meter by 2. We have to put lace on the edge of a table cover. So for this we have to find out circumference of the table cover. For this we apply formula 2 pi r. And as mentioned in the question, take pi is equal to 3.14. So we can write here 2 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 1.5 by 2. After solving this, we have 4.71 meter. It is the circumference of the circular table cover. And this is the value of the length of the required lace. Now cost of the 1 meter of lace is rupees 15. So cost of 4.71 meter lace is equal to 15 multiplied by 4.71 and its answer is 70.65. Now move to the next question, question number 7. One question is, find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. For solving this question, first we have to find out perimeter of the semicircle and then we have to add diameter in it. So perimeter of the semicircle is 2 pi r divided by 2 plus diameter of the semicircle. After substituting all the values in this formula, we can easily calculate answer of question number 7. So do this question by yourself. Now move to our next question. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. To find out the cost of polishing, first we have to find out area of the circle. So area of the circle is pi r square. After substituting value of radius from the question, we have our answer, and then we have to multiply this area by its cost, and after solving this we can easily calculate rate of polishing. So you can also do this question by yourself. Now move to our next question, question number 9. Ninth question is Sajli took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of the circle, also find its area. If the same wire is bent in the shape of a square, what will be the length of each side? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? It is given in the question that length of the wire is 44 cm. First, we bend this wire in the shape of a circle. So circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. So now we can write 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. After substituting value of pi, we can easily calculate radius, and it is 7 centimeter. Now area of the circle is pi r square. So after substituting value of pi and radius, area of circle is 154 centimeter square. Again, the wire is converted into the square. So perimeter of square is 44 centimeter. As we all know that perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by its side. So 4 multiplied by side is equal to 44. After solving this, we can easily calculate value of side, and it is 11 centimeter. Now area of square is side multiplied by side. It means 11 multiplied by 11, and its answer is 121 centimeter square. So it is clear from our both the answer that area of circle is greater than area of square. So we can write area of circle encloses more area than area of square.